Sharperlight is a powerful reporting tool for SAP Business One and other applications. Throughout this video, I explored different examples to get the most out of reporting for SAP Business One. Please pause the video as needed or skip to the timestamps listed here. Sharperlight is an easy-to-use self-service reporting tool. Sharperlight can plug into multiple systems, unifying all your data live to the presentation layer of choice. The data models are logically built based on the ERP you connect to. This humanizes the data to drag and drop and build reports with no technical skills needed. Starting with table formulas, these are great for returning datasets spanning multiple rows and columns. Using the query builder, select the data model you wish to use. Now select the company or multiple companies. Sharperlight makes consolidation very easy. Clicking the table lookup opens up the SAP Business One data model. This is displayed in a logical manner for any non-technical user to self-service their own data. It's easy as dragging and dropping the selected fields to the output pane. You can now preview the query and check for any errors and then submit to the worksheet. Repeat this process, now adding the amount field to return balances for the accounts within the selected range. Press OK and you will now see an identical table query with the amount column added. Referencing the query to the worksheet allows you to use the intelligent filters to change company, consolidate companies, accounts, or dates. Once changes are made, the query will refresh the data live from SAP Business One. The Excel add-in gives you the power to report from multiple systems in the one workbook. This gives you the flexibility to select a different system such as Xero, and using the same techniques create a query and output the results to Excel. Dynamic table formulas allow you to bind outputs to filters. An easy example of this is copying a pre-built query to the clipboard, creating a new query on a new sheet and pasting from your clipboard. You can now bind the amount field to the year and period code filter to create your dynamic output. As you can see, this dynamically outputs the amount within each year and period defined in the filters. You can now change any of the filters required. This data is live from SAP Business One. Creating custom Sharperlight reports with table formulas is easy, allowing you to build structured reports in minutes. You can select different SAP B1 tables, systems, and charts to slice and dice your data your way. Another example is building a report using the Customers Receivables Aging table, where we can show customers' aging amounts by set intervals. Using the intelligent filters, you can easily swap the type from customer to supplier. With table formulas, to create a trial balance report, set the filters and drag and drop the balance fields, account code, name, and set the relative dates. You can now consolidate or change companies by using the filters on the worksheet, which will refresh the report live from SAP Business One. Value formulas are self-contained formulas that return a single value into a cell. This is great for building unstructured reports such as this trending income statement. Cell reference the company, account, and period to the worksheet and then drag the amount field to the output. This gives you the aggregated value. From here you can dynamically drag your query for each period across the report. Sharperlight works with native Excel functionality. Once again, you can click the company field and consolidate multiple companies on the fly. List formulas are like tables, however can return your data with subtotals, which is functionality built natively into the query builder. In this report, we are selecting the Open Items table and will output a standard list formula. Set your filters and drag and drop the fields you wish to see on the worksheet. As you can see, this is a list of data with no subtotals. We can now add them in output options under sorting and grouping. Select customer code and basic grouping options. Press OK and you will now see the report is displaying subtotals by customer code. This can be done for any output you would like to group. Another example of a list formula is an inventory report with cell references for item group. Sharperlight gives you the flexibility to slice and dice your data your way. Sheet formulas are self-contained as an independent report, giving you the ability to leverage grouping controls in Excel. Using the same table, open items list, and techniques, you can set the grouping which allows you to expand and contract each group. Sharperlight gives you the ability to drill on any cell on any report in Excel. In this example, I give you 3 different methods of drill downs: ad hoc drills, save drill paths, and drilling to a new Excel sheet. This is an ad hoc drill down. Click the drill down button on the Excel add-in and drag and drop the fields you would like to drill to and select OK. This can be displayed at a summary level or at the lowest level live from SAP Business One. With a save drill, this can be repeated for any other cell on the current report. Selecting any cell, click drill down and select from the save drill to view invoices for that selected period. In the next example, we drill to a new Excel sheet. This is the same as a save drill, however Sharperlight creates a new worksheet. This allows you to change filters, modify, consolidate companies, or send to another staff member for further review or changes. Sharperlight also has helper formulas such as suppress rows. Suppress rows allow you to hide zero values to create more meaningful reports. This can be triggered from the filters to show or hide the values as needed. Split sheets is another type of helper formula. Split sheets allow users to take a range in a filter and create new worksheets identical to the first, but filter on each value. This is great with a consolidated report to split out by the desired filter. In this example, I am splitting the worksheet out by project from SAP Business One. Refresh the report, which will trigger the sheet to split by project. As you can see, it now has generated 3 child sheets automatically by the project filter. Sharperlight for SAP Business One is bidirectional, so as well as pulling information down, we can push information directly back to SAP Business One. There is a selection of over 30 writeback tables, which can include fact or referential data. Writebacks can save you time when uploading recurring monthly journals, budgets, sales, and purchase documents, or even migrating from one system to another. Cell reference the worksheet like a query to the writeback pane. You can now either preview the data before executing or go ahead and execute the writeback. If there is any errors, it will return the log within the validation cell. Once executed, Sharperlight uploads the data into SAP Business One. I will now show you 3 other examples of writeback templates. With this journal writeback template, you can skip blank lines, allowing you to categorize journals including subtotals. This is a sales order writeback including header and line items. Budgets are a common use of writeback for SAP B1, enabling users to upload complex matrix style budgets that span multiple rows and columns. Sharperlight empowers you to create dynamic web landing pages that showcase and organize your queries, Excel reports, and dashboards in a user-friendly, streamlined menu. This allows you to share spreadsheets, reports, and dashboards in the web to all users across your organization. With Sharperlight, security is key, ensuring data is not exposed to the wrong users. Sharperlight can map SAP users and inherit company-level restrictions, security roles for more granular row-level security, two-factor authentication, multi-factor authentication, single sign-on, Azure AD, and more. Signing in will take you to your Sharperlight landing page. You have the flexibility with no technical skills needed to customize this page. It's easy to change logos, set branding backgrounds, menu types, and sub-menus to organize all your reports. You can even change the background to display your organization's most important dashboards. This is all done within the navigation editor. This is designed to be user-friendly to drag and drop, create submenus, add new reports, or make any changes. By clicking on Reports 1, you can rename this group to change on the menu bar. I have changed Reports 1 to Standard and Reports 2 to Spreadsheets. The submenus have now been renamed. These are examples of the most popular types of web reports. You can add your reports to the submenus. Sharperlight has web spreadsheets. Using the Excel add-in, you can publish your worksheets and workbooks to the web with a click of a button. Like Excel, you can consolidate or change filters and the web spreadsheet will refresh. With a Sharperlight web spreadsheet, all filters, drill downs and charts will follow. Within the settings, you can turn on annotations, allowing users to comment as per their login on each report. This is helpful when sharing reports across your organization. This is an Excel workbook with a number of different worksheets. I'm now going to publish the report from Excel to the web by clicking Publish Workbook on the Excel add-in. As you can see, with a single button, the Excel workbook is now a Sharperlight web spreadsheet. All filters, drill downs, charts will follow. You can now go back to the navigation menu editor and add the spreadsheet to the menus on your landing page. You can now click New, rename the title, and then link the workbook we just published to the submenu. You can now see that workbook is now available in the menu. The report will load within the browser. You can now use the settings to toggle on and off customizations. In this example, I turn off the columns, rows, and sheets bar down the bottom. This is how easy Sharperlight is to customize your reports. Sharperlight allows you to publish the same table and list queries from Excel to the web. Open the query and click on Filters, then select Publisher. Clicking Apply and View will publish the query straight to the web. You can still use the filters in the web to change customer or consolidate companies. Once changed, this will refresh the data live from SAP Business One. Once published, you can add them to the menu using the navigation menu editor. Web landing pages are a powerful way to collaborate and share insights across your organisation. These are a few other examples of web reports you can create. This is a table grid which allows you to sort and pivot by outputs. Sharperlight also has pivot tables in the web. Web pivots allow users to slice and dice their own data. Web reports are a great way to securely share reports across your organisation. Sharperlight has dashboards allowing you to easily create tiles and pages to organise and display information securely to each user. The Sharperlight interface is easy to use with no technical skills needed. As you can see here, I can select which chart type to use via the user interface or easily toggle on or off or make any customizations needed. This is what sets Sharperlight apart from our competition. Inquire today to find out why Sharperlight is the best value reporting toolset for SAP Business One.